Actually, we got it from the second-hand shop. That's a Louis Vuitton bucket. My shoes. Actually, thinking about that too.
This is really I personally like it.
Hi guys, today I'm with JV.
Hi guys!
What did you buy today?
Secret. No clue.
Hi guys, so next is we're going to buy second-hand designer brand. Wala akong masabi. Tama na. So what can you say about the bags that I bought today?
That's too much.
That's too much.
I can handle it.
Alright, so we're gonna unbox what I bought from the Louis Vuitton store. Can you please open it?
This one.
Yep.
Tiga.
Boxing here at Starbucks. Everyone's looking there. But they're busy because they're Japanese.
First box.
What?
Wait. Second box. Okay,
There's
so we
no
have
new
like
LV. So what's first? Wow, that's LV bucket. That we got it from the second-hand shop. That's Louis Vuitton bucket, but the pocket is actually sticky. But it's dry now because it's from long time ago. But actually, Louis Vuitton shop has new LV bucket now, but smaller. They have smaller. Yep. So there you go. Next one is another item from the second-hand shop. Actually, oh wait. So show it first. What's that? Do you know what's that?
Passport holder. Joke. What's
It's
this?
Agenda size PM. Agenda is like a planner. But it's actually it has rip here. Oh, not here, but there.
This one.
Because it's from the second-hand shop, but not bad. For less than $100 US. But those two are sold already. And
What's
third
this?
item is it's a Gucci bag. It's a Gucci bag.
Bamboo
Yep.
backpack.
Yeah, that's also a vintage bag from the second-hand shop. Gucci.
Still good.
That one, yeah. That one is sold already.
Okay, that's it.
So we got a box from Louis Vuitton because I forgot to pick it up last Sunday. So that's why I asked for next one. Open it.
Still have one bag.
People
What's the size?
bundle, yeah.
35?
That's 45.
45?
You can see it in the side, yeah. Like this. It has strap. Actually, I think it's inside, but actually it's
There
sold
is.
already.
There's no strap.
There is.
There is.
Yay. Okay, so the second paper bag.
So first, are we going to open the
Yep, yes.
first small box? Wait.
Okay, that one is not Louis Vuitton. That is Chanel, as you can see. Actually, this one is still available. I got it from the pawn shop. You can see it on my profile. It's a sling bag.
Still good.
Yes.
Very nice. Vintage, right?
Yeah, it's series 4. And it has authenticity card.
Not bad.
Another box from Louis Vuitton, but it's not Louis Vuitton.
Another keep.
Next is Keepall Bandolier, but the strap is missing, so it's really cheap. And the condition is not that good. That's
Size?
why. Size 55.
Okay.
Next is Gucci gang.
Okay.
Oh, it's a tote bag. It's really perfect size, right? You can put everything in there. I think if it's Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, it's called size, the medium one. It's very nice. And it's really cheap, like
There's a scratch in
300.
here.
Yeah, that's because it's secondhand. Prada. Actually, that one is really quite expensive because of the condition of it.
And the leather.
Yeah, the
It's
leather.
different.
Yeah, it's different. It's 1,000, almost 1,000, and it's
Yeah.
second hand.
Yep.
$1,000 US. Prada. And that's it, right?
Yeah, that's all.
That's it for today. Thank you for coming here.
Hi, thank you.
High five.
Hi.
Do you know what's this?
Wisdom tooth.
No, it's this one.
Okay, what happened?
Because
okay.
I really wanted one LV tooth.
Oh, okay.
It's from LV. Yeah.
Okay.
It's actually
Everything is from Louis Vuitton,
yeah,
right?
I like
Okay.
Louis Vuitton.